Hello, everyone. My name is Raymond Shen. So today I'm going to talk about one reason why Chinese people are best at mathematics. So some people might say, "Oh, that's stereotype," but I would say there are some reasons behind it. One popular reason is that the education systems are different in China and the English speaking world. We can uh, remember or recite things easily because we are trained. I would discuss another reason here that I think is uh, kind of important. Okay, so the reason is uh, that uh, it depends on how many sounds you say in one character or one word. So today, particularly in mathematics, okay? So uh, let's get started. Before we get started, why I talk about sounds, how many sounds in one word or characters is not syllables because some words might be one syllable but two sound, three sounds. Okay, so let's get started. So in in I can say all Chinese characters, you pronounce it with one sound in one syllable, one sound. Okay, so uh, in English or other language, that's not the case, right? So for numbers, let's say English, from 0 to 20, you will say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, right? And Chinese it will be 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 right? So in English, uh, in the three is two sounds, one syllable, right? Three, three, right? Four. If you speak British English, it will be four. If you speak American English, it will be four. It's one syllable, it's one sound, but your tone will make some roar, roar, roll back, right? So it takes some time. So five, five, one syllable, right? But two sounds. Five, five, two sounds, right? Six, six, six. You might say, oh, six because it's can be treated as one sound because the x is very slight, it's voiceless. Okay, okay. Let's talk about another the next seven. Seven. Obviously, two sounds. Let's talk about 11. 11. Three sounds. And 12. 12 depends on how you pronounce it. If you say 12, that's 3 sounds. But if you say 12, that 12, that's 2 sounds. Depends on how you pronounce it. Depends on your habits of the dark L. 15, 15, fifth, sorry, 15. It can treat it as 2 sounds or 3 sounds. Okay. The 16, 17, 18, 19 would be treated as would reference to 6, 7, 8, 9. I wouldn't say wouldn't say for further here. Okay, so in Chinese, 0 through 10 is 1 character, so it's 1 syllable. From 11 to 20 is 2 characters, because it's 2 syllables, 2 characters, 2 sounds. And the way we make the number is 0 through 10 has its own name. 11 through 20 is 10. So for 11 it would be 10 and 1, so 11, 11. So for 11 to 19 it would be the same pattern. So 10 and the number before, and 20 would be 2 and 10. So 2, 10 is 20. So it would be first part would be the form, the 0 through 10 would be one sound, and 11 to 20 is 2 sounds. And English, I forgot to mention 0. 0 is 2 sounds, right? Okay, but Chinese 0 is 1 sound. Ling, 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 right? Ling, 0, 0, 0, ling, ling, ling. So the syllables for 0 to 20 is this, but yeah. So for 20 to 30, you know, right? 21, 22, 23, 24. It will be mostly 3 or 4 sounds. 3 or 4 sounds, might be 7. Might be 5. In Chinese, also 2 or 3, but people trend to say it 2 sounds. It depends on how you say it, because it can be for 20 to 25, for example, it can be 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. But it also can be 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, right? And it depends on whether or not you pronounce the 10 character, because it can be omittable in China, and it's often omitted. Okay, but in English, it's always at least 3 sounds, right? You cannot find another way to say 21, can you? Right? So for 100, 3 sounds, but in Chinese it will be 100, two sounds, right? 1,000 would be 1,000, 1,000, three sounds. In Chinese, 1,000, 1,000, two sounds. Here for 10,000, why I mentioned 10,000 because the way we count is a little bit different in China and the English-speaking world. So for 10,000, it would be 1,000. So we group 10,000 as a group, but in English it would be 1,000 as a group. So that's a little bit different. So 100,000, 100,000. 5, 10,000, 2. Right? You see the difference? 1,234. 1,234. 11, 1,234. 7. You see the difference, right? And for 10,000, hundreds, a million, 1 million, or a million, three sounds. In Chinese, it's also three sounds. 100,000, 100,000. 1 million, 10 million, 100 million, 100 million, 5. 100 million, 5. So in Chinese, it will be wait a minute. 100 million, it will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so 8 zeros. So it will be E, two sounds, because remember 4 digits. So 8 zeros will be 4 zeros. So 8 zeros will be another whatever, another level of so 100 million in Chinese would be 1亿. So a level would be 1 character. Okay. A billion, 3 sounds. Chinese 10亿, 2 sounds. Okay, etc. So that's the end of the numbers. Not useful to talk it more for operations signs. So plus, 加 plus, 加 see, minus, or minus. You can say plus is plus 2. You can say 3, but for my standard, minus will be 3. In Chinese, 减 multiply or times So times 3 multiply 4 in Chinese 乘 or 乘以 1 or 2 divide 3 除 1 and divided by one. The divide and divided by is different in Chinese. It's a different concept actually, technically. So 除以 two sounds. Okay. Integral 积分 integral 4 sounds 积分 2 sounds differentiative 6 微分 2 sounds. Okay, so another one. I don't know. Maybe let's see. Oh, e to the power e to the power of x. Let's say 9. Let's say 9. Let's count of as 1, x as, let's say 8, x as 2. So in Chinese it would be 一的 x 次幂 6. Okay, so in summary, Chinese would be shorter to pronounce the numbers, operations, etc. So it would be easier for us to say, and that's easier to remember, and that's easier to think. So that's why we are better at mathematics. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.